What you doing?
Oh, no, nothing. Just put a new little button in.
Oh, it is easy.
Told you. And just this clamp.
What happened to the flathead?
I don't know what happened to it.
It's gonna be a 1-minute video. Okay, Jordy. So what's that?
Start button.
And where's your new one? Or what are you putting on?
Just the GTR one. You know, try to be fancy in here.
OEM Nissan right here.
It is only genuine. So I thought I needed a little bit more red in here. Later on, I might get a new steering wheel. We'll see. But for now, I think this should do it.
You got some red right there.
Oh yeah, I had to match, bro.
So that comes out of that housing and the new one just pushes right through?
Yeah. Just
You've done research or?
I mean, I'm guessing. But at the end of the day, we all guess, right? Start.
What the f- Oh, I thought he crashed.
There's a tow truck right there.
Where?
It just went past. Hey, what's your name?
See, I was gonna buy the outer ring,
I'm gonna play that.
but that shit's like $70, bro. Would you spend $70 just for a red ring?
No.
No, what?
Not just for the ring?
Yeah, just for the ring.
No.
The button itself was only like $40. But the outer ring.
But
I would just paint it.
I would appreciate if Anthony would pull down my shirt so my ass crack wouldn't be getting a big breeze, but
Is that better?
yeah. So guys, we're at 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Jordy said this will be a 5-minute install. Let's see if he's correct.
I mean, it would be correct if you did give me that mini flathead. But
Well, Anthony's right here. I'm recording, you know?
I mean, yeah, you're not wrong, but
Yeah, I know.
I asked when I first got here.
The garage, you know, there's a toolbox right there with tools. Flatheads would be one of the tools. So yeah, now we're basing off how fast Anthony can walk to the garage and back. Because we're at 322.
Just pops forward. So,
Did he go through the house?
yeah,
Yeah, this ain't gonna be a 5-minute install now.
true.
Can I try?
Why is this?
Can I try?
Oh, I'm stupid.
He's You got 4 minutes, Jordy. It's those sweaty mechanic hands when you know a job's about to be done and you're rushing it. Boom. Boom.
Told you 5 minutes, bro.
Alright, I gotta come over there and see now.
Sheesh.
So it's a less than 5-minute install.
Yeah.
And here's the result. So if you guys have a 370, you know how it normally looks. This is the GTR one. It's a red one. And I think it details the car very nice, especially with his street aero carbon fiber shift knob, which is also red carbon. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Good job, Jordy.
5 minutes, bro. I told you, just like that.